Hi everyone, I'm from Regrob.com and today we are visiting at Ezzy Corinth project which is located on Hennur Main Road, Bangalore. So this is the view of main road in front of the project, and this is the view of project from main road. And now we are moving towards the project, and here comes the main entrance gate. This project is built across 1.50 acres of land with 40% open area. So this is the external view of villa. The premium villas, and now we'll give you the internal view of villa. So this is the view of living room, the spacious living room, skillfully designed for the comfort of the residents. As you can see, the interior is very beautiful with marble flooring. And now we are moving towards the bedroom area, and here comes the first bedroom of this villa with attached washroom. With ultra modern fittings. So this is the common washroom, and this is the living hall. So this is the view of living hall of the first floor. And now we are going upstairs. So these are the stairs for first floor. So now this is the bedroom area on the first floor. As here you can see, the room is very spacious with an attached washroom. So this is the washroom area. So this is the another bedroom with attached balcony. Here is the balcony area. And this is an attached washroom with this bedroom. The beautiful washroom with jacuzzi. And now these are the stairs towards second floor. So we are moving towards the second floor of this villa. So this is the view of terrace. So this is the view of bedroom area on second floor. As here you can see the laminated wooden flooring. This is the dressing area. And here comes the washroom area. And now we are moving towards the terrace. So these are the stairs towards the terrace. So this is the terrace view. From here you can see the number of villas. So this is the terrace view. So friends, as you can see, the villas are very spacious and skillfully designed with all the basic amenities to facilitate the needs of the resident. The fantastic infrastructure with marble flooring, tiles, and laminated wooden flooring for a premium living. Now here you can see the garden area. So friends, this project is surrounded by greenery, and now this is the kitchen area of this villa. The modular kitchen with separate utility area. So this is the whole view of kitchen. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.